quick reading for January the 5th to January the 6th. Scorpio, ako parang ang lakas-lakas ng dating mo ngayon, no? The Empress, the Judgment, the Ace of Wands. Whether meron tayong inaakit na tao dito, um, I don't know kung masama ba yung pang-aakit na ito or mabuti ba, no? Parang you just want this person to notice you, no? I feel like there is a little changes that you're doing right now. It can be sinisimulan mo na ang iyong New Year's resolution. Baka either nagpagupit ka na ng buhok. Empress is here. No, this is more of the visuals. So either nag-start ka na mag-gym. I feel like you catch someone's attention and parang nandito yun nga lang, yung impression nila is more of the more visual, no? Hindi pa man ito dumadating doon sa emotional part, pero you've won. I feel like, no, lalo na kung ang person mo is more of a visual person, so nanalo ka doon, no? You nailed it dahil kung ano man pagbabago or ginawa mong pagbabago sa katawan mo, sa itsura mo, I feel like, yeah, you catch this person's attention. Scorpio, this is your quick reading for January the 5th to January the 6th.
Predicting future is my